It is important to first select a good, reasonably level site for your slab. Once you have chosen a site, clear the area and remove any grass. Using pegs, roughly mark out the area and determine how much digging will be required. Now dig out the area. Visually establish high points and low points and use soil to level the area as best as possible. Measure and construct the box away from where you plan to put the slab. This gives you room to manoeuvre and work. 30 by 100 mm treated pine is ideal for the box frame. In this case, the box dimensions are 3.1 by 3.1, which allows for a 50 mm rebate. Once you have dug the area out and made it as level as you can, place the box in the area. The required thickness for your slab is 100 mm. Using a spirit level, fill or dig out areas in order to ensure the box is level. In this area there is a slight slope in the land running into a far corner. This makes the area around 180 mm too low, so we need to bring it up 80 mm and fill, remembering that our slab thickness is 100 mm. Now that the boxing is in position, built up and level, drive pins into the corners and sides to stop the box from moving. Tent pegs or wooden stakes are ideal. In some cases you may need more than one peg on the sides. It is important to check the depth of the area you will be filling with concrete. Place a straight-edge timber board across the length and breadth of the box. Use a spirit level and check the depth of the area within the box. Remember, it has to be 100 mm because that is the thickness of your slab. Fill in areas too low and remove those areas too high. Ensure that the fall of the slab follows the contour of the land. Now that the area is level, lightly wet it down. This will assist with compacting. The next step is to lay building plastic down and line the area. Place reinforcing steel mesh on top of the plastic. A light F52 gauge mesh is all that is required. This holds the concrete together and helps stop the concrete from cracking. This particular slab will require 1 cubic metre of concrete, and we are using a 20 MPa concrete mix, which basically means the stones or gravel used is 20 mil. Pour the concrete in and level it out with shovels to the height of the boxing. Screed the concrete off with an aluminium screed or a length of timber. Oregon pine is light and inexpensive. 70 by 30 mil, 4 to 5 metres long with a person at each end is ideal. Simply work the concrete across as demonstrated. The use of a bull float will give you a good finish. Let the concrete go off or dry out a little for about half an hour. Then complete rebate with an edging tool. And finish off with a trowel. Leave for a day or so depending on your weather conditions and your slab is ready to assemble your Absco shed.